There is no end to the wonderful and mysterious places in this world. The sea, the mountain, and the plain are all places of wonder in the world. In today's episode, we will see such a wonderful and mysterious place, and that is a mysterious underwater museum. The name of this wonderful museum is Cancun National Marine Park, or Cancun Underwater Museum. This magical museum is located in Mexico, 10 meters below sea level. A different world has been created around this museum under the magical blue water, in which there are statues of 400 people standing. There is a group of women standing in a circle holding hands, some of them are lying down, some of them are riding bicycles, and there are different types of statues like this in this underwater museum. Some old people are sitting with sad faces, and many children are likely to be standing naked. Many are typing on the typewriter placed on the table, some are lying on the table, and some are standing. This is how the Underwater Wonder Museum is built. These statues are placed under the water in such a way that it looks like a separate world running underwater. There are also many species of sea fish in the museum, but they do not know the people are fake and just a stone. The statues in the silent evolution show how some humans see their surroundings and embrace them while others hide their faces. This rare museum was created by Roberto Diaz Abraham and Jamie Gonzalez Cano. The sculptor of this museum was Jason DeCaires Taylor. The 38-year-old man has created this museum through his tireless work. In fact, it was a project, and the purpose of this project was to beautify the sea environment by constructing new coral walls on the coast through sculpture. The Underwater Museum is to benefit the protection of the coral reefs by redirecting visitors away from natural reef formations, while damaged coral formations receive restoration treatment, and by reducing the direct human impact. Each statue was made to resemble members of a local fishing community where Taylor lives. Each statue has its own personality and features. Taylor made sure every detail from the hair to the clothes of the statues was perfect. Artificial reefs are usually created by sunken ships and other objects that have fallen to the bottom of the ocean floor. The statues as artificial habitats are a new technique and material for coral to grow on. It means it created for art to save the oceans. Jason used a special type of pH-neutral cement to make the sculptures. This cement is about 10 times stronger than ordinary cement. In the first phase of his work, Taylor thought of setting up about 200 sculptures. But in the end, Cancun Marine Park has 400 sculptures. The sculptures have been placed differently under the sea. The statues are submerged under a special kind of stiff fiberglass. Colorful fish and aquatic animals can now be seen roaming around the sculptures. The sculptures in this museum weight more than 120 tons. There is no danger of the sculptures collapsing in the water, even people can swim freely there without any risk. Hundreds of tourists visit this wonderful museum every day. The museum also benefits the community by attracting tourists. One local guide expressed concern to a reporter that the statues will themselves be damaged, but the museum is planned to grow and to repair itself.